This demonstration is about over and under frequency relay testing kit, model number GME2482R. This panel consists of frequency meter to show output frequency, voltmeter to show output voltage, and timer for relay time setting. Indication lamp for mains on, voltage on, trip alarm, voltage excitation knob, speed control knob, test switch for main off, on off, timer reset, and trainer kit on off switch. This is the main part of trainer kit, that is under over frequency relay testing kit. This relay has two setting for under frequency and over frequency. Under frequency setting between 45 Hz to 50 Hz, and over frequency setting between 50 Hz to 55 Hz. For connection, connect DC shunt motor armature winding, that is A1 A2 to A1 A2 of DC shunt motor, field winding F1 F2 to field winding of DC shunt motor, and for alternator R phase and neutral for R phase and neutral of alternator, and F1 F2 field winding of alternator to field winding of F1 F2 of alternator. First of all, switch on the main supply and switch on the test switch, and now vary speed control knob, speed control knob, and excitation voltage control knob. Relay over frequency setting between 52 Hz and under frequency between 45 Hz. Under this frequency relay works, otherwise relay trip according to setting over and under setting. Relay setting 52 Hz and relay frequency output is 51 Hz. If we increase frequency relay trip in over frequency mode, that is over frequency trip indication and trip and alarm on. In under frequency we increase speed, we decrease speed, and relay under frequency indication on and trip and alarm indication on. This is the working of this trainer kit. Thank you.